Hello, my name is Bijanca Star, and this is NFT time, where I share the latest news on the NFT community. All right, first story, demystifying the Bored Ape Yacht Club. What is all the hype? What is going on? Well, why this project is so successful is because it was one of the premier projects that happened in NFT space, and also because it has a unique merch line that only holders of the NFT have access to. It's a social club. It's a piece of digital art that actually holds value. But because that the founders of the series are offering meetups, are offering collaboration of members to come together, selling your Bored Ape is not only selling your piece of art for a return on investment for money, it's selling your ticket to a membership in a club. And social membership NFTs are gonna be hot if they aren't already right now. Next, Macy's launches a series of featuring balloons to depict their Macy's Day Thanksgiving parade, and they do this drop on the Suite app. The Suite app has easy to navigate NFTs, has ones by McDonald's, ones by Macy's. It's the commercial app for NFTs. ConstitutionDAO loses bid on Constitution, outbid to 43.2 million when their original bid was 40 million. DAOs, as I said, are coming in hot. ConstitutionDAO was a collective of 18,000 members who wanted to buy the Constitution. Didn't work out for them, but who knows what's happening in the future? The future of DAOs? Summer 2022, we'll see. DCentral, a conference in Miami, is happening this Miami Art Basel week on the 30th and the 1st of December. It is featuring an NFT stage, it's featuring a DeFi workshop, and a demo stage. Be there or be square, a great conference, a lot of knowledge. Tickets are still available. China to release blockchain guidance for next year on enterprise and governmental implementation. That means that they are realizing and understanding the power of blockchain, much like you should. Good for you for watching the news, good for you for educating yourself. It's not going anywhere anytime soon, so make sure you put your imprint on it if you've got values and principles. Our word of the day is burn. Burn means to remove an asset, whether that be a coin or an NFT, from having any valuable and from circulation. When you burn an NFT, it is no longer accessible and goes somewhere in the ether to never be seen again. I hope you have a great day. This is Bijanca Star, and I'll talk to you later.